Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to fix just some plain black-eyed peas. Been wanting some. I know a lot of people think this is a winter meal, but I've just wanted some. I'm going to use black-eyed peas, an onion. I was in North Carolina the other week, and my son gave me a ham hock. And I'm going to mix it with some beef broth. First thing I have to do is, you do not have to pre-soak black-eyed peas. They say you can, but black-eyed peas are one of the peas that do not need to be pre-soaked. All you have to do is wash them and sort of go through them a little bit. And just make sure that if you see any bad ones in it, sometimes there will be. Sometimes there's a piece of dirt in it, but just take that out. And we're going to take this onion and we're going to dice up an onion. This is a really simple meal. I'm going to put it in the crock pot and let it cook for 4 or 5 hours. I'll check on it whenever my peas gets done. Sometimes it really depends on how old your peas are, how long it takes to cook. Sometimes it doesn't take long at all. And sometimes it does. So, what we're going to do is get it ready. We're just going to, this is a small onion. I don't want the onions to over flavor everything. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Hope you join my channel. Subscribe to it. Tom always just like the onions after I get the peas done to just cut up an onion and put in it and not cook the onion, just have a raw onion in it. But today I'm going to cook this onion in with my peas. They'll cook all the pieces, so you won't have very much in there. You can't see it, but it gives it a flavor. And we're going to take the ham hock and just put the whole thing in there. Okay, I'm going to set my crock pot on 2 pieces of tile. Ever since Tom redid our kitchen cabinets and our countertop, he was real protective about the heat being on this countertop. Some people don't like onions in it. We're just going to put that down in there. And we're going to cover the peas with beef broth. I never know exactly how much beef broth it'll take, so I just usually just pour it on there until it covers the peas. Just get it stirred up a little bit. If you do not have enough beef broth, like I did not, I'm just going to add just a little bit of water. That's all you have to do to it. Put the lid on it. I'm going to put mine on high for a couple of hours, and then I will cut it down. So again, all of this is, all you got to have is a pound of black-eyed peas, an onion, and a piece of meat of some kind. You can use, I've known people to use bacon, old-fashioned fatback, just so you've got some meat in there to flavor it with. And like I say, I am using beef broth in mine today. I've got it set on high, and we'll come back and check it in a couple of hours. And again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe. Okay, I'm going to check these beans. I think they should be done. They have been cooking about 5 hours. So let's just check them and see right quick. Oh, they are definitely done. Definitely. So I'm going to take me a bowl. That ham hock I had in here has come all to pieces, which is exactly what I wanted it to do. Let's see what we can do here. Fix me a plate of them. There's my black-eyed peas. I also toasted me 2 pieces of garlic bread. So we're going to have black-eyed peas with ham hock and garlic bread for dinner tonight. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope you enjoyed this little video and will join my channel and come back to see me. And we will definitely, as always, have something different. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye.